In this lecture, we are going to learn about isolate scope. Actually, isolate scope comes when you are going to create custom directives. Three isolate scopes are available to control custom directives. We will learn first isolate scope character at in this lecture, and first I need to create the custom directive. Directive. I'm going to name this directive as phone, and in this directive I'm going to return a HTML tag template, and I'm going to return div tag. Inside of div tag I will put some phone model, just iPhone, and you will see this directive is working. I still didn't add any isolate scope here. In this HTML we will add the directive on. Yes, it adds. Yeah, when it runs, this template is returned to the function. Now I am going to add isolate scope to this directive. I'll make this one as a variable called model, and I'm going to add this isolate scope to the model scope, and model is type of isolate scope at, and in the controller I'm going to create a variable scope.phone model equals Samsung. I'm going to make Samsung phone model in the controller. Now I am going to the index.html, and in the phone I am going to make the model equal phone model equal to the phone model of the controller. Sorry, I misspelled Samsung. Yes, you can see I have created the isolate scope model type of at, and in the model I have assigned the controller variable phone model. You can see the one-way data bind. You can bind data from controller using at isolate scope. This actually calls a one-way data binding, the parent model to the submodel data binding. That at is used for that one.